Marshall, Pigou, and Cannon rejected the money definition and said that human welfare is the center of economics, not money. Professor Marshall wrote the book 1890 Principle of Economics. He called the economics the science of welfare. Means that money is for man and not man for money. Money is considered only a means and human welfare is the considered the end. Welfare economics consider economics as an increase in material welfare. Economics is said to be the study of economic activity that can be measured in terms of money rupees. He explained the economics study ordinary people. It does not include mad, drunkard and misers. Also, economics is social science which study the economic activities of people living in the society and not of those living in isolation in a forest cave. So, Sizer criticized the welfare economy, argue that the concept of welfare described is unclear because the concept of welfare changes depending on the time and place. The meaning of ordinary business has not been clarified by them in extraordinary situation like war or flood. It is an important part of all economics. The main criticizers say that economics is not a social science but this is a human science because all economic problems are faced by the human living in the society. So the economy is not a social science, it is the human science. So that's all. This is how the definition related to welfare economics was given by economist. Thank you.